The TCX59 Pro combines the best of Hunter's leverless and levered tire changer technologies into one powerful platform. The exclusive hybrid leverless system makes quick work of the most challenging tires while providing the ultimate wheel and tire protection. A full bead press system can handle the most extreme low profile and run flat tires with 2 upper rollers. A stationary roller assists with bead lubrication and hook insertion. The traveling roller cams upward automatically to relieve bead stress on those challenged tires. The locking lower roller can lift, re-brake, and even demount bottom beads. This is especially helpful for large and heavy tires like 19.5s. Hunter's exclusive FastBlast inflation is the faster, safer, and easier way to inflate those large truck and SUV tires. All this is built on Hunter's class-leading tabletop chassis, providing ample power and speed for the most demanding technicians. The TCX59 Pro is even HunterNet capable with an optional module, so you can track usage and ROI in real time. This machine is ready to tackle any tire from a 19.5 truck to a high-performance EV, so if your shop sees it all, the TCX59 Pro can handle it with ease. For more information, visit hunter.com.